Recently I made a post on my YouTube channel about the GJ scalping setups for long and short side. So let's do analysis of that post. So as we can see, this was the post right here, and we can see that the price was bullish on the 30-minute time frame. So here, this is GJ 30-minute time frame. We can see that the market structure were already bullish. We were making high highs and higher lows. So this was the price action at that point of time. So I mark my resistance right here because the price is already bullish. So I was expecting, if we get a closure above this resistance, we already have clean range on the left hand side. So I was anticipating the price to go to the next resistance, and that is why I mentioned that I'll be looking for the breakout buys above this resistance. Now the price is already bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows. So like here, once we create a high, so I was also expecting a pullback, but price should not be breaking the higher low of this uptrend. So if the price make a pullback, we can look for some bullish setup here to take long and target this new high created by the price. Now the in the third setup, because we are bullish, making higher highs and higher lows, but what if the price break this support? If we break this support, basically we are breaking the market structure to the downside, and we can start looking for short setup. So in that situation, I was once the price break this support, we can like as I mentioned, we can look for breakout short setup targeting the next support, which is right here. And also if we make a new low, we can also wait for a pullback, and we can call this setup as break and retest setup or a pullback setup to again look for selling opportunity to target the next support, which is right here. Now if we go to the real chart, what happened at that day? So this is the 30-minute chart on GJ, and we can see that this is where we were at that time. So price, basically as we anticipated, price made a pullback, consolidated in this area, and once we get this candle close above this resistance, we can take our buys targeting this new high created by the price, because we are making high highs and higher lows. Now all this is happening during the Asian session. So if you could, like if you're trading the Asian session, you could exploit this opportunity and take the long trades targeting this new high created by the price.